Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately. Clear a safe path from the main hall and enter East Storage. You must pick up the valve handle and a few supplies so you can operate the plumbing and survive attacks. Once done, make sure your inventory has room for the handle and any key items you find. You do not waste time. Save at the typewriter now. These steps let you access the maintenance corridor that leads to the lower systems and the control room entrance. You head to the boiler room and install the valve handle to open the maintenance gate. This connects the upper corridors to the lower service tunnels. Next, move through the hazard corridor deliberately. Use cover, conserve ammo, and prioritize evasion when enemies overwhelm you. Once in the generator room, pull the two switches in sequence so the control circuits come alive. These actions re-enable doors and elevators, making the route to the control room available, while preventing nasty surprises later. You now approach the control room via the service elevator or the unlocked maintenance door. Enter cautiously because scripted enemies often spawn. Interact with the console to finish the objective and follow the on-screen prompt. Do not linger near doors. If the room is locked or the console is unresponsive, make sure the generator switches are in the correct positions and that the valve handle remains installed. Then re-toggle them and revisit the entrance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.